Welcome to English Verse, where every conversation helps you speak English with.
Hey, Emma, do you have a minute?
Sure. What's going on?
I was thinking, we should go somewhere this weekend.
Really? That sounds exciting. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about a short trip to the mountains.
The mountains? That's a great idea. I've been wanting to take a break from the city.
Me too. We've both been so busy lately.
Exactly. A weekend away would be perfect.
Fresh air, beautiful views, and no office emails.
That already sounds relaxing.
Or we could go to the beach instead.
That's a difficult choice.
Which one do you prefer?
Honestly, I haven't been to the mountains in a long time.
Same here.
Then let's choose the mountains.
Great. I was hoping you'd say that.
How long does it take to get there?
Around 3 hours by car.
That's not bad at all.
We can leave early on Saturday morning.
What time?
Around 6 o'clock.
6? That's really early.
But we'll avoid traffic and have the whole day to enjoy.
You're right. It'll be worth waking up early.
Should we drive or take a bus?
Driving is definitely better.
I agree. We can stop any time to take pictures.
And maybe try some local food on the way.
That's a great idea.
Who's going to drive?
I'll drive. You can be the DJ and choose the music.
Deal. But don't complain about my playlist.
I won't, unless you play the same song 10 times.
No promises.
This trip is already sounding fun.
And we haven't even started planning everything yet.
Let's make this the best weekend ever.
Absolutely. I can't wait.
So the destination is decided. Now we need to plan everything else.
Right. The first thing is finding a place to stay.
I searched online yesterday. There are several nice cabins near the mountains.
Really? Are they expensive?
Not too much. I found one that's clean, cozy, and has an amazing view.
That sounds perfect. Does it include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Even better. How much does it cost?
Around $90 for one night.
That's reasonable. We can split the cost.
Exactly. It'll be affordable for both of us.
Should we book it today?
I think we should. Rooms might sell out before the weekend.
You're right. Go ahead and book it.
Done. I'll make the reservation tonight.
Great. Now let's talk about our budget.
I think around $200 each should be enough.
That should cover the hotel, food, fuel, and a few activities.
Exactly. We don't need to spend too much to have fun.
I agree. Good memories don't have to be expensive.
What activities do you want to do there? I'd love to go hiking. Me too. There's a famous hiking trail with an incredible viewpoint.
I'd definitely like to see the sunrise from there.
Then we'll have to wake up early on Sunday.
That's okay. It'll be worth it.
We can also visit the nearby lake.
Oh, I'd love that. We can rent a small boat if the weather is nice.
Great idea. We should also bring a camera.
Definitely. I want lots of pictures.
Don't worry, I'll take plenty of photos.
And I'll make some short videos for social media.
Perfect. It'll be fun to look back at them later.
What about food?
I heard there's a famous local restaurant near our cabin.
Then we have to try it.
Absolutely. Trying local food is part of every trip.
I couldn't agree more.
This weekend is going to be amazing.
I already feel excited just thinking about it.
Me too. Everything is coming together perfectly. Now that we've planned the hotel and budget, let's talk about packing.
Good idea. I always worry that I'll forget something important.
Don't worry, let's make a checklist together. First, I'll pack some comfortable clothes. And don't forget a warm jacket. The mountains can get pretty cold, especially at night.
Thanks for reminding me. I'll also bring a hoodie.
Comfortable walking shoes are a must if we're going hiking.
Absolutely. I don't want sore feet halfway through the trail.
I'll pack my hiking boots.
Should we bring a backpack?
Definitely. It'll be useful for carrying water, snacks, and a camera.
Speaking of water, we should each carry a reusable water bottle.
Great idea. Staying hydrated is important.
What kind of snacks should we take?
Maybe sandwiches, fruit, chocolate bars, and some nuts.
Perfect. They'll give us energy during the hike.
Don't forget your sunglasses and sunscreen.
Even in the mountains?
Yes, the sun can still be quite strong.
Good point. I'll pack both.
I'll also bring a small first aid kit just in case.
That's smart. Hopefully we won't need it.
It's always better to be prepared.
I agree. Safety comes first.
What about entertainment for the drive?
I'll create a road trip playlist with our favorite songs.
Awesome. Music always makes long drives more enjoyable.
We can even sing along.
As long as you don't laugh at my singing.
Haha, no promises. But I think it'll be fun.
Fair enough. Should we check the weather forecast before we leave?
Definitely. That way we'll know what clothes to bring.
If it rains, we should pack rain jackets. And maybe a small umbrella too.
Good thinking.
I think we're almost ready.
Yes, the more we plan now, the more we can relax during the trip.
Exactly. I can't wait to hit the road.
Same here. This is going to be an unforgettable weekend.
It's finally Saturday morning.
I know. I woke up before my alarm because I was so excited.
Same here. Are you completely ready?
Yes, my bags are packed and I even brought some extra snacks for the road.
Perfect. I just filled up the car with gas.
Great planning. Are we leaving now?
Yes, let's go before the traffic gets heavy.
I'm ready. This adventure officially begins.
The weather looks beautiful today.
It really does. The sky is so clear.
Turn on your playlist.
Already done. I picked songs that are perfect for a road trip.
Nice choice. This first song is one of my favorites.
I knew you'd like it.
Look at the sunrise. It's absolutely beautiful.
Wow, the colors in the sky are amazing.
We should stop for a minute and take a few pictures.
Great idea. Moments like this don't happen every day.
Smile.
Wait, let me fix my hair first.
Too late. I already took the picture.
Seriously?
Don't worry. It actually looks great.
I'll believe you when I see it.
Deal.
I'm starting to get hungry.
There's a small cafe about 10 minutes from here.
Perfect. Let's stop there for breakfast.
What are you planning to order?
Maybe pancakes and a cup of hot coffee.
That sounds delicious. I'll have eggs, toast, and orange juice.
After breakfast, we'll continue toward the mountains.
According to the GPS, we'll arrive in about an hour and a half.
Time is flying by.
That's because we're having such a good time.
I'm really glad we decided to take this trip.
Me too. Sometimes a short vacation is all we need to feel refreshed.
I couldn't agree more.
The best part is that the adventure has only just begun.
Exactly. I can't wait to see the mountain views.
Wow, look at this view. The mountains are even more beautiful than I imagined.
I know. The fresh air and peaceful atmosphere make this place feel magical.
I'm so glad we decided to come here.
Me too. This was exactly the break we needed.
The hike was definitely worth it.
And watching the sunrise from the top was unforgettable.
I don't think I'll ever forget that moment.
Neither will I. It felt so peaceful.
We also took some amazing photos.
Yes, and the videos turned out great too.
My favorite part was having lunch by the lake.
Mine too. The food was delicious and the view made it even better.
I'm really happy we planned everything in advance.
It made the whole trip smooth and stress-free.
We should do trips like this more often.
Absolutely. Maybe our next trip could be to the beach.
That's a great idea. We can start planning it next month.
Deal.
Well, it's getting late. We should head back home.
I agree. It's been an incredible weekend.
Even though it was a short trip, it created so many wonderful memories.
Sometimes the shortest trips become the most memorable ones.
Thanks for being such great company.
Thank you for suggesting this trip.
You're welcome. I had an amazing time.
So did I.
Let's promise to travel together again soon.
It's a promise.
Safe travels back home.
Thanks, and thanks for an unforgettable weekend.
Take care.
You too, Ryan. See you soon. Bye.